If you want to uninstall an Office update, then you are at the right place, as here is how to do that. Let's get started. This is the Windows Club. Windows users can uninstall an Office update via the Programs and Features applet in Control Panel. But for one reason or another, you may not be able to use this applet for the task. In this video, we outline why this is the case and show you how to uninstall Office updates using the command line in Windows. Let's get started. How to uninstall an Office update. If a particular update breaks functionality in Microsoft Office installed on your Windows computer, you can open the control panel and uninstall the Office update via the Programs and Features applet. However, there are requirements for removing Office updates, and you need to determine whether you can remove an Office update using the control panel. The following are some examples of Office updates that cannot be removed: Service Packs, Office Server Product updates, some updates to Office shared components. Although not recommended or supported by Microsoft, you can uninstall Office updates that are marked as uninstallable by creating the uninstallable registry key with the dword 00000001 value at this location. Press Windows plus R keys on your keyboard, type this and press enter. Confirm the USE prompt. Now navigate to right-click inside the right pane of the key. Select New, then dword value. Name it as Uninstallable. Double-click the uninstallable entry. In the value data box, type 00000001. Ensure the base is set to hexadecimal. Click OK. Close registry. Exit registry editor. Restart your PC to apply the change. To use the control panel to remove Office updates, the computer running Microsoft Office must meet the following prerequisites. Microsoft Windows Installer version 3.1 or later must be installed before you install the removable Office update. The computer must be running a newer version of Windows. To determine whether you can remove an Office update via the Programs and Features applet, follow these steps. Press the Windows key plus R to invoke the Run dialog. In the Run dialog box, type appwiz.cpl and hit enter. On the left navigation pane, click the View Installed Updates link. Locate and select the update in the list. If the update can be removed, the Install option will be available in the toolbar or on the context menu if you right-click the listed update. Remove Office update using the command line in Windows 11. If you can't uninstall an Office update using the control panel, then you can do so via the Windows Installer command line. Open command prompt with administrative privileges. Then if you want to remove an update, run this command, where the product code placeholder represents the product code GUID that is associated with the Office product that you installed an update on. The full _path_to_.msp_file placeholder represents the full path of the update package. If you use the /qb switch, you are prompted if an update isn't removable with the message below. Uninstallation of the package is not supported. If you use the /passive switch, you aren't prompted if an update isn't removable. Alternatively, this command can be used to uninstall Office updates. For the command syntax, you must determine the GUID of the installed Office version and the GUID of the update as detailed in this Microsoft documentation. Now, the Office updates you will see listed in the Programs and Features, then View Installed Updates window as shown above on your Windows PC will be the MSI-based installations of Office. So that's it. Subscribe to the Windows Club for all your tech solutions related to Windows. Thanks for watching.